Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Drunk Coder. I will start C# complete course from basic scratch level to the advanced level. So we will start from very beginning how to create a console application using Visual Studio 2019. So let's get started. So this is Visual Studio 2019 and creating a console application here is quite simple. You just need to go to file, click on new, select project here, and here you see you get a lot of project templates. Here you find a lot of project templates. Visual Studio 19 provide different templates to work with different projects based on your requirements. So as of now, we are going to learn console application using C#. What all templates which you have used before will come in the left panel under recent project templates. This is the recent project templates, and what all projects which you have used before will come under this left panel. You can directly select from here console application.NET Core using C# language, or you can also select from here. Here you can clearly see description provided as a project for creating a command line application that can run on .NET Core on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. One more point you need to pay attention on. See here two templates for console application. Here we have two templates for same console application. You can clearly see that first one is to create console application using C# programming language. C# is mentioned here. And second one, the second template is for creating console application using VB programming language. See, you can see here VB is mentioned here. VB stands for Visual Basic. But among VB and C#, C# is most preferred as compared to VB. And now here you just need to select next button below here. After selecting your console application template, now here a new tab will prompt. So here it says to configure your new project. This is the template description, console application based on the .NET Core, and this is the language you have selected for the template C#, and it is for multi-operating system which is Linux, macOS, Windows, and this is the type of the application, console application. And now you will provide a project name. This is the project name where you will give your project name. Now I will give here console project 01, and you can set the location for your new application to place. By default, it is under the C folder repository, and you can also change the location if you want. So I will change the solution name as console solution. You need to know one thing, that inside a single solution there can be n number of projects, or you can say multiple projects inside a solution. As of now, we have only one project, console project 01, inside the solution name console solution. And here we have got one checkbox. It says place solution and project in the same directory. If you are selecting this checkbox, before that you notice that solution name is console solution. This is different from the project name because as we know that there can be n number or multiple number of the projects in the same solution. But when you are selecting this checkbox, you will notice that this solution name field is disabled and the name inside this is changed as console project 01, same as the project name. We have selected this checkbox and now the solution name is same as the project name, and I will select here create. So this creates a C# console application for us. So now we will be talking about Solution Explorer, Team Explorer, Toolbox, etc. This is Solution Explorer, Team Explorer, Toolbox. We will be talking about these things in our later sessions. So as of now, this is the first program which got created defaultly. This is the first program which got created defaultly for us. So let's make it very simple as possible. So let's leave only the basic required lines of the code here and get rid of others. So I will remove these lines, and I will also remove this parameter for the main method. We'll save this program. Let's remove this as of now. So now if you will look at this particular program, it is a very simple program. Hardly 3 lines of code and couple of braces around it. Okay, now what do we want this program to do? I want this program to print a very simple message on your console screen. So if you are wondering what is the console screen, it's nothing just your command prompt window, which you can just get it by typing cmd in your run. Let's see that. Type cmd, press enter or OK, and yeah, this is your console screen. You want that program to write a simple message on this console screen. And to do that, it's very simple. Okay, I don't require to write any new methods or something. I will just use the classes which are already present inside the .NET framework. So within the .NET framework, we have console class and class which is named as console. So we will use that console. See, this is the console class which is present inside the .NET framework. We use this class to write or read something from the console window. So my program wants to write a message on the console. So I will simply use the writeLine method. And I will write the message which I want to print on the screen. So I want this message to be printed on the console screen. So just save this message, save this program, and press Ctrl plus F5. And build will be started, and you can see that your message has been printed on the console screen. Hi, Run Coder welcomes you to C# training. So this was your first program. So this was your first very simple console application. If you are wondering about what is this class, method and piece of code, this is class, method. If you are wondering about what are these codes, then you need not to worry. I'll be talking about all these codes step by step in a very great detail in our next sessions. This was just a basic structure. I will be talking about all these terms in a very great detail in our upcoming sessions. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe my channel to get the notifications about my next videos.